This show is getting on the time. It is 3-0. I can't believe it. New England is going down, baby. The icon! There's 10 more things I have to tell you. Real closely. I'm a football fan! I could also play dead. I know, I'm an animal talking to you. I'm still legit. Ooh. Wow. Tom the icon. Wow. Look at that. The 3, 4. 3 for the Patriots. 0 for the Rams. Wow. Whoa. Ouchie. That must have hurt. If you want to ask me a couple questions, just comment. Because I'm not going to waste my time. I just need to watch this. I am a big talker, but during the Super Bowl, nothing can stop me. You'll see me in my room. Now, it's just me watching the Super Bowl, my mom doing her stuff, which is a human. Like, bruh, I have a human mom. And the worst thing is, my human brother and my friend Rudolph and my other friend laying down over there, the little doggy. Now it's just me around in the TV circle, which is mostly going to happen around me. I also love watching commercials. Wow!
Now we are into amateur food videos, so this addiction can happen to anyone. It's hard to resist.
He's addicted. Never judge a person. Next Sunday. That looks like Cardi B.
Okay, so guys, I need your support. And Janelle, I know you can stop her to play it. Cardi, I see you, okay? Alright, guys.
Hey! Okay. Okay. Cardi. Money. 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 Ugh. The commercials are taking forever. Hey Z, what are you playing? I know you don't answer me on the first second. That's because I'm a monkey. Isn't that right? Ew, I want to be in their group. Ah! If you're a Patriot, You're good, but if you're on the Patriots team, you're bad. Ah, ha, ha. Okay, let's get the show on the road, boy. Tackle.
No, thank you.
Yeah, by the way, that's my little brother's name, Zeke. My mom. That's really what she says. Zeke. No, thank you. Mom, can you say something? Ugh. Tom the Icon. Flag on the field.
Dude, stop screaming.
Mom. It's the Super Bowl. There's a flag.
2 men moving. Offense. 5-yard penalty.
Yeah.
Second down.
So if that were to happen, it'd be the first time all year anybody scored in the return game or on defense.
Similar to like anybody missing a kick in the stadium.
Exactly.
The Icon.
You're right, though. It's obviously not likely. But I think
Showing Cincinnati body to look up.
it's hard to describe that the Rams.
I'm still into this.
What they do, it's just one possession, one big play. 2nd and 13, first offensive penalty of the game against New England.
Patriots are gonna win. Ugh.
Brady finds him at the 34. Pass play for 8 on a 9th reception of the game.
If you see John Cena getting ran over by the car,
In the pocket, sliding and firing.
now you'll see me,
Getting back into a position to get this
right?
The 3rd and 5.
Wow.
Edelman with 9 catches of the 17 completions for Brady tonight.
Hey, Cena!
Just a simple motion. Once again,
I missed.
got to double team.
Hey! I'm right here. Ah! Incomplete for you, Patriots. I turned into a monkey after that.
Just a fantastic job.
And then that's Zeke. And that's my little sister, Emery.
So he is
Aww.
outside, and Hogan just doesn't give him anything. It's a simple just corner route.
Zeke's into the Super Bowl too, right?
Double team inside there.
Ah!
It's the first time they took it away and Brady had to let it go deep. Here's Ryan Allen.
Catch it! Ah!
Jackson is swarmed under by Slater. Crossing there also.
I need
6:33 to go in the 3rd.
Hey, Renner, want to come walk with Addie?
I don't want to walk.
To most of you,
I do Addie turn around. Why turn around?
we never seen them or even heard of them. But 7% of
Wow.
have.
Sensitive commercial.
That spend weeks and months away from friends and family. Miss holidays and birthdays, weddings and anniversaries. The 7%
T2X1.
sleep in the rain. And sometimes don't sleep at all. The 7% that keep the rest of us safe. You know what these codes mean. Because each of you has one of your own. No simple code can define who you are. But now, it can help
Google!
for whatever's next.
Wow. It's not even sensitive. It's just Google. Wow.
I'm a close talker,
Wow.
so I was excited about all new Colgate Total. It's breakthrough formula.
Wow. Ah!
Strength and
Wow.
strength.
Ah! Wow.
Mr. Lee? No, there's no such thing as too close.
There is such thing as too close.
There is. There's not. All new Colgate Total. Do more for your whole mouth.
Personal space, dude.
James Harrison. Dickerson guest star. Boom in your face.
Not too close.
CBS Thursday.
Yay.
Super Bowl 53 on CBS is sponsored by Harley's Sparkling Water. No calories, no sweeteners, all smiles.
I got a smile on my face.
Responsibly.
I don't know if I can stay up much longer.
On 200 yards passing after having his first throw of the night intercepted. But Goff just 5 out of 15, 52 yards, and he's been sacked twice.
They've gotta. To me, it's time now. You don't change completely your identity, okay? You're still trying. There has to be.
Golf.
Get these guys off. You know, just one step ahead.
Hi.
You're taking a shot or trying to like turn 1, 2, play action. He's right number 2.
I think I might need to go to sleep. Rudolph, wake up! Rudolph, you can't scare me like that. Rudolph wants you to lay on me. Thanks, Rudolph.
Are those scissors? Hold on.
Plays, Tony. I'm just circling.
Rudolph, awake! Ah!
Here, guys.
Really?
Zeke has a screwdriver. Everyone, Zeke has a screwdriver. Is he gonna cut us?